Podcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Hi, I'm Monica Rafak, Deputy Commissioner for Human Resources and Facilities at the Department of Family and Support Services. I'm responsible for the on and offboarding of employees, overseeing payroll, labor relations, which includes discipline and any facility issues that are connected with the department. Today, I'm going to focus on the compliance for City of Chicago employees and share with you some of the information that is related to that topic. Rather than sharing a PowerPoint, I'm going to speak to you about 3 documents that are resources for all City of Chicago employees. These documents are guides and resources to ensure employees have the necessary information to be successful in their employment. The first document or overview of policy is the City of Chicago Personnel Rules. These are meant as a guide to the current policies and procedures used by the City of Chicago with respect to its employees, and they are also subject to change by the City of Chicago unilaterally and at any time. The City of Chicago does not intend that its personnel rules, whether provided to employees at the time of employment, after commencement of employment, or at any other time or through any manner of dissemination, constitute part of any offer of employment or otherwise the basis for the formation of any contract, whether expressed or implied. These rules should not be interpreted expressly or by implication as evidence of the existence of an employment contract between the City of Chicago and any employee. Basically, they are a resource for employees to be able to understand what they are or what they will be held accountable for. The City of Chicago personnel rules may be applied to employees who are either at will or career service employees unless the language in a particular rule specifically states that it only applies to career service employees. Career service employees and or those covered by collective bargaining agreements have no right to continued employment based on the city's personnel rules, but may have such rights as are granted under the applicable laws or collective bargaining agreements. Nothing in the City of Chicago personnel rules is intended to change the status of an at-will employee. Any at-will employee may be discharged without notice for any reason or no reason, and an at-will employee has no expectation of continued service. So what are the goals and principles of the personnel rules? The City of Chicago is committed to employment practices that include the following: base employee selection on a candidate's knowledge, skills, and ability to perform effectively on the job, provide equal opportunity to all qualified applicants, prohibit the entry of political reasons or factors or other improper considerations into any stage of the selection and hiring processes for covered positions. They provide the hiring authority with maximum lawful discretion in making selection decisions and create a transparent hiring system that minimizes the ability to manipulate employment decisions. These personnel rules are intended in part to serve as a resource for employees. It contains information on current personnel rules, policies, and procedures. To the extent there is a conflict between these personnel rules and the terms of an applicable collective bargaining agreement, the applicable CBA governs. Your department may have, or the department may have, additional department rules, policies, or procedures that also apply. The second document, which I'm going to speak to you about today, is the City of Chicago Salary Resolution. This is also a guide for city employees that sets the compensation and work rules for non-union civilian titles within the City of Chicago. This resolution is approved by the mayor and city council and is a guide to allowing staff to understand their scheduled grades and their set increases while employed by the City of Chicago. Also included in this document are guides regarding benefits and allowable activity as a City of Chicago employee. The third and final document that I'd like to discuss is the American Federation of State, County, and Municipal Employees, or the Afscme contract. This contract is the guide for all titles that are covered by the bargaining unit. As I previously stated, personnel rules is part of this, but your collective bargaining agreement contract is what supersedes. City departments have bargaining unit staff, and depending on the department, the union which staff belong to may vary. For the Department of Family and Support Services, Afscme is the main union, and we have one Teamster. Our ratio of union to non-union is 75% union and 25% non-union. When covered by a bargaining unit, these employees must follow the rules and guidelines set out in the contract. This also goes for the employer. This document is essentially what it states: a contract between employees and employers. However, when a subject is not addressed in the contract, then these employees, as well as the employer, must follow the salary resolution, which also is backed up by the personnel rules. All City of Chicago civilian employees follow the City of Chicago personnel rules to ensure proper employment conduct. All three of these documents are resources for both managers and line staff to understand the importance of how to function in the workplace and what it means to be a City of Chicago employee at the Department of Family and Support Services. I want to thank you for participating in this brief training on the City of Chicago employment compliance.